Here's 3 ways to beat the stock market with crypto. Now, if you find this helpful, please do me the favor and the honor of sharing this with a friend, bookmarking it, give me a like and a follow. Now, I think we all know that in the traditional markets, the S&P 500 index is kind of the gold standard when it comes to long-term wealth building. And depending on who you ask and which chart you look at, it's usually about 8 to 15% annually. But in an era of dirty banks, Federal Reserve, high fees, inflation, debasement, 8 to 15% just isn't really cutting it. That's where crypto comes in, specifically decentralized finance. And you don't have to do the crazy stuff. For example, I can provide liquidity to name brand decentralized exchanges like Uniswap, the largest decentralized exchange on the planet as far as volume goes. And I can use blue chips like the second largest stable coin on the planet and AVAX, the great layer 1 top 15 token, right? This isn't meme coin stuff. I can earn 243% APY right now. Or with Ethereum and Curve Finance, 2 of the greatest decentralized financial instruments known to man, we're sitting at over 400% APY variable. This one's crazy. The Binance network with their stable coin and their gas token, I can earn like 1.1% a day currently. That's just yield farming. That's providing liquidity so that other people can swap one token for another and I can earn fees off of their trading volume. It's democratized revenue share. Okay, so let's say I make $2,000 in a month on yield farming, for example. What do I do with that yield? Well, I can recompound it into the same instrument that it came from, or I can move to stable coins and I can do stable coin farming and make like 10 or 11% here at Carrot Finance. Or I can use other protocols to loan against my stable coins, earn a lending fee, take the collateral out, and then go yield farm that. So I'm looping the yield now, outperforming the S&P. Now, if you're still with me here, you might be thinking, well, how do you do that? Do you have to go through underwriting? Do you have to ask a loan officer for that? Or, who's giving you permission to do all this stuff with your money? The reality is this beautiful word called trustless. DeFi is trustless. It's blockchain. It's open ledger. It's the very nature of self-autonomous finance. I don't need an appraisal or an underwriter for my on-chain property. I can use it to make more property, to buy more property, to earn more digital assets on demand. That's where crypto literacy skills and market cycle knowledge come into play. Just literally the veil standing between most people and outperforming the stock market is just knowledge and awareness. Which leads me to the third strategy that allows you to beat the stock market handily, which is the crypto flywheel method. I've been talking about cash flow on this video so far, and using that cash flow to buy accretive assets that then can become the leverage to buy more cash flow. That's how you methodically, routinely double, triple, quadruple your net worth. If you don't want to do this alone and you don't want to find yourself hours and hours just YouTubing stuff, trying to figure it out and crack the code on your own, I'd love to do it with you. Go to cryptoyall.com, watch my 12-minute overview video. And if you like what you see, I've got a community, I've got a mastermind, I've got a private mentorship, and I've got all this stuff figured out. There's a whole lot of hand-holding, but you got to do a one-on-one Zoom call with me first. Go to cryptoyall.com, click the big orange button, watch the video, follow the instructions, and I'd love to talk to you. Like and follow for more.